Okay, this is Leon. Today we're doing a driveway. Show you how we do driveways. As you can see, this driveway is pretty dirty, but we're going to treat it with our hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite, which is 12.5% bleach. We're going to allow it to soak a little bit. Let me show you this sidewalk before, and I'll show you after once we get through with it. As you can tell, it's pretty dirty, so we're going to treat it and then clean it. Go ahead and get the steps. And this chemical starts cleaning immediately. You can see how it starts cleaning it up. This is the sidewalk. Once we get through with it, it'll be all shiny. You can tell that I'm putting the sodium hypochlorite on it. You want a job done right? There you go, Southern Style Pressure Wash. We're the best in the business. The largest independent company in LaGrange, Georgia. But you can see it's already starting to eat some of the mold and mildew off of it. So we will continue to clean it. See, not only do we clean the driveway, but we treat the driveway. By treating it, it means that we kill all the algae that is growing there. And that way you don't have to do it every year, or don't get this bad every year because everything is dead on it. Let me walk back here real quick and I'll show you the cement patio that we're cleaning now. Well, actually, it's a brick patio. Is your husband, Lindsay. And as always, we always have an audience. See little fellows in the window. I'll back on in a little bit once we get it finished. Show you the final result. Thanks for watching.